Fomento is also honored to be partnering with Rotary Club Margao Midtown for sponsoring the title sponsor of this magnificent event. This club has become a model, and it means for me from the model is unite for the good. There was a lot of enthusiasm, there was a creativity, there was a zeal, and in all of about 14 schools participated, roughly about 1,000 people. Nakshatrazz is really trying to spin the creativity among the youths, and therefore the children get a confidence and sportsmanship that will serve them not only for in their personal life but also for the society as a whole. This is not a competition, it is really a platform, and that platform, Nakshatrazz, since 2009 they have been doing it regularly. It has become a legacy of this club. We run a Fomento scholarship, giving scholarship for doing MS, MD, or nowadays because of these restrictions of the US government, we also started giving the scholarship for doing IITs, but only for the students who are doing on merits and they reserve financial prayer. It's completely a different way of teaching a student. We don't go by the traditional way of textbooks there, but it's based on the assessment of the class and the teacher and the school. The competency tools are developed by this Gyan Prakashan, and 7 schools are adopted where the learnings are passed on, and this program is now going to run entire Goa very soon.
We are completing 15 years of Nakshatrazz today. It is not that one doesn't get a prize, that means he is a loser. But already when you have participated in this competition, you are already a winner. Anybody can give an idea, anybody can start something, but to nurture it and take at this level, it requires a lot of dedication, lot of perseverance.